Welcome to a new episode where we compare two popular steam cleaning options. Today, we're diving into the features of the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. Let's see which one comes out on top in this cleaning showdown. First, let's talk about price. The BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 comes in at $175, which some reviewers found to be worth it for its effectiveness on tough stains and grime, especially in homes with pets and heavy dirt buildup. However, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is significantly cheaper at $104, earning praise from users for being an affordable yet effective cleaning solution. Many prefer the Newbealer for its value, especially if they are looking to save money. Now, let's delve into features. The BISSELL is a heavy-duty 3-in-1 machine with 29 accessories, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers highlighted its effectiveness in cleaning grout and other tough jobs. On the other hand, the Newbealer is an all-in-one steam mop and handheld cleaner with a powerful 1200 W steamer that heats up in just 20 seconds. Users love its quick assembly and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around the house. If you need versatility, BISSELL shines. But if speed and ease are your top priorities, Newbealer stands out. Next up is steam power. The BISSELL promises powerful steam for tough stains, and many users found it effective, especially for deep cleaning. However, some noted that it requires pressure to clean effectively. On the other hand, the Newbealer features 3 adjustable steam modes and can reach up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, heating up in just 20 seconds. Reviewers appreciate its ability to clean quickly and effectively, especially before guests arrive. If you need raw steam power, BISSELL is strong, but for quick readiness and adjustable settings, Newbealer excels. Let's discuss storage and portability. The BISSELL comes with a convenient wall mount, making it great for those who prefer organized storage. However, some users found it heavy and cumbersome. In contrast, the Newbealer is lightweight at just 3.96 pounds, which makes it easy to store and maneuver around the house. Reviewers mention that it fits easily into tight spaces, making it ideal for those who need a compact solution. If you value organization, BISSELL is a good choice. But for portability, Newbealer is the winner. Overall, reviewers appreciate the BISSELL Power Steamer for its effectiveness in tough cleaning jobs, though some mention its weight and occasional issues with accessories. The Newbealer Steam Mop earns high marks for its affordability, lightweight design, and quick heating. But some users had mixed experiences regarding its cleaning capabilities and durability. Both have their strengths based on user needs. So which steam mop is your favorite? If you need power and versatility, the BISSELL Power Steamer is the one for you. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that heats up quickly and is easy to store, the Newbealer is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description. Happy cleaning!